Hey guys, welcome back to Buckeye Backyard Barbecue. Today, we're making 4 different kinds of sliders. It's a slider flight. Stick around. They're gonna be awesome. All right guys, so the 4 kind of sliders we're gonna make the traditional cheese slider with pickles, onions, and cheese. We're gonna make a Philly cheesesteak slider with cheese, onion, and bell peppers. The other is going to be a banana pepper and Swiss cheese. And of course, we're gonna have the buns and the meat, and I'll get you out here when everything's on the griddle ready to go. So the first thing we gotta do, guys, is we gotta get these buns toasted up. Should be good by now. Oh yeah, toasting up real good. Take these off. Time to get our vegetables going. One big old giant chunk of meat. All right guys, so it was at this point where I burnt myself right there. So I picked up the spatula from the griddle and pressed down on it to flatten the meat. And it was at this point I really didn't want to finish this video, but I went ahead and just recorded it, but I didn't talk through it. So we're just gonna do a voiceover for the rest of it. I know it's a little different, but we'll see how it goes. A little salt and pepper here. And from this point, we're just gonna let our vegetables cook and the meat cook. Mix up some of those onions and just make sure our vegetables are doing okay. After a little time, went ahead and flipped the meat. Did have a little struggle here. Didn't really plan the meat part out very well, but I got it flipped, and that's all that really matters. What you guys did miss on this whole thing is when I was yelling for my wife to bring me some ice for my fingers, since I did burn the crap out of them. And we're going to go ahead and start building our burgers here. Put the diced onions down on the first set. And again, we're doing this in real time, this part of the video anyway. Put my cheese down, or the pickles. And again, I didn't really plan this out very well. I was kind of mad. I would have normally moved the camera so you could see me build the burgers better, but sorry about that. At least I wasn't crying. I went ahead and cut the pineapple in half because they were bigger than the bun. I will say at this point that my favorite slider was definitely the Hawaiian burger with the pineapple and the teriyaki. It was outstanding. My wife liked the original slider the best. And of course, as I'm doing this voiceover, it starts pouring down rain. Worst video ever. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and move those banana peppers and put them on the banana pepper burger. Already have the cheese over there. And then we'll get the pepper and onions for the Philadelphia cheesesteak burger. Maybe. Oh, we're gonna go ahead and add the cheese. Finally putting those pepper and onions down. Put a little teriyaki sauce on the teriyaki burger. And we'll cut up the big hunk of meat into 8-ish parts. Now we're gonna cut the meat up. Sorry guys. Figure out what I want to do. If you guys are still watching this, I'm absolutely amazed. I probably would have turned it off by now too. But if you've gone this far, you might as well stick with it and see how they come out. Because they actually did come out very tasty, very good. Despite my injuries. Gonna go ahead and just take them off and build the sliders, and I will bring the tray over here in a second where you guys can see them, and it will conclude the worst video ever. I think this video is actually worse than when my camera overheated and you guys couldn't watch me finish that chicken dish. But you know, thanks for watching and sticking around and supporting. And if you made it this far, let me know in the comments. And call me an idiot for burning myself. I'm just gonna put the tops on the sliders here. Oh, gotta put that teriyaki sauce on. Now we're gonna put the lids on. And here we go. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. They actually were very, very good. And thanks for watching. Stick around. Give me a big thumbs up if anybody made it this far.